guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa. If you're new here, I am doing 31 days of Halloween this year, so if you'd like to follow that, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, comment if you have any ideas for future videos for this series. If you haven't already watched my last video, please click the link right here and let's get started. Today we're going to be using the James Charles and the 3503 palette. Okay guys, so we're going to go in with the James Charles palette first. The first color that we're going to be using is Code James, and we're going to be bringing that under our eye as well as smoking it out on the outer corners of our eyes. We're not going to bring it as close to our eyebrows as we've done the last few videos, but we are going to smoke it out like a natural smoky eye. Then we're going to be going in with the color Rusted from the James Charles palette and hit the inner corner of those eyes. We're going to blend it in towards the middle a little bit, as well as smoking up towards the eyebrow and connecting to the outer color. Now we are going in with the 3503 palette and using the color Explode and making sure we're packing that on and blending it out with all the other colors. Then of course we're going to go under our eye a little bit and just smoke it out under our eye in the waterline. Once you've completed putting on the eyeshadows, now we're going to take a clean fluffy brush and blend it out. Now we're going to go with the color Embers from the 3503 palette and hit the inner corner. Now we're going to take the color Rusted from the James Charles palette and we're going to smoke it out on our cheeks like we do blush. We're also going to do this all the way up to almost our hairline, but where we have our highlight. And then we're going to do this on our forehead. We're going to do it in front of both the brows, but bring it all the way up to our hairline. Then we're going to do our chin on our lips a little bit. And then we're going to smoke it out like we have a mouth going all the way on our cheeks. Now we're going to use a thin brush and we're going to actually use the color Disrupt from the 3503 palette. And this is going to be our shadow base of the lines on our lips and our mouth. And you just want to draw the lines a little bit longer than the shaded area that we did. Now we're going to go in with the color Explode on our nose and we're going to make a little teardrop. Now we're going to be taking the 12 Flash Color palette from Makeup Forever with the thin brush and going in with some black. We're going to be drawing little freckles on our cheeks and any place that has actually been shaded. You can make them big, you can make them small, however you'd like. I decided to go in with small ones. And now we're going to go in and we're going to draw a thin black line around the teardrop of our nose, and then go in and do some stitching on that line as well. Now we're going to take the same thin brush with some black paint and go over those lines that we did in the shadow. So guys, this is the finished look. Super simple. You can do this as a last minute Halloween costume. You can even do it with your natural hair. Just braid it up a little bit and then let it go down, or just leave it naturally curly, or you can even do pigtails. Please hit that little notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. With further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!